Urinary urgency and bladder leakage. I had to know where every bathroom in the world was. It's a 180. It's so freeing. I now control when I go to the restroom. I'm going to throw this in. I wanted to have a t-shirt made that said, "You're not the boss of me, my bladder is."
And you no longer need that t-shirt now?
I don't. But the people right off the bat, the genuine concern for me as a patient, not just another number, and just the time, care, and concern that everybody took. Well, pretty much everything I just named. The people, the care, the whole attitude of taking care of the patient, to everybody that I can think of.